Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Dead by Daylight on PC. First off, you need to open your Steam launcher. After opening the launcher, type Dead by Daylight in the search bar located at the top of the screen. Click on Dead by Daylight. Click on Add to Cart. Then View My Cart. Then continue to payment. Make sure you have at least $4 in your account. You will be redirected to the checkout page. Select your preferred payment method, then click Continue. Fill up the necessary details for the transaction, then proceed to the checkout. Wait for a while for the app to finish the transaction. Now, theoretically, after purchasing the game, go to your library. Click on Dead by Daylight. Click on Install. Browse to select a folder to use. Make sure you have at least 60 gigabytes free in your storage. Then click Install. Wait for the download to finish, and there you go. That is how to download and install Dead by Daylight in your PC. Thank you for watching.